Christmas is all about.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's still Vlogmas. I know I haven't been consistent. I've been trying, but y'all know I've been super busy with like the moving and stuff, so that's why I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be, because I wanted to, throw these videos out back to back, but it's not working. So basically, it's Monday, and hopefully this video is going to go out the same day it's recorded, which is today, Monday, if not Tuesday at the latest. Sorry, let me sorry. Don't mind that I'm moving. Okay, so basically last time we talked, so I'm trying to get a good angle. It doesn't matter, it's a vlog. I was telling y'all how I wasn't too sure if I was gonna get the apartment I really wanted, because they're being weird about my OnlyFans income, basically. And I explained this in a video. I recorded on my camera. My camera's being super weird and it won't upload the video. I don't want to do that whole video again. So in a nutshell, basically the company that I was going through for the apartments was being very weird because of my OnlyFans income, and they were acting like they weren't going to approve me because of it. I don't know if it was because of the fact that I did OnlyFans or if they thought it wasn't like legit income, but they're being weird, okay? So, yeah, I wasn't really too sure where I stood at with them, and I was going through it because my lease is like coming to an end here, and I didn't know what I was going to do, basically. But, once they ran my credit and see my credit score, it was okay. So luckily I have, good credit, and they kind of looked past the OnlyFans income because of my credit. So I got approved for the apartment, which, yay, because your girl, I really love this apartment. I can't wait for y'all to see it, actually. I do have a top one, if I was wondering. I don't know why I just showed y'all, but okay, I just had to put that out there. So I'm super excited. So it's Monday. I get my keys Thursday. So basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I gotta finish packing this house up. I'm gonna show y'all in this vlog like what I have packed. What I've packed so far, which is like mostly everything, I guess. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got done so far. Thursday, I'm definitely going to be recording a empty apartment tour. I just don't know when I'm going to have time to like edit it and put it up, though. I might have time to edit it Thursday, but I don't want to make any promises. So latest is going to be Friday. If I can, I'm going to edit it and upload it Thursday. If not, I'm going to edit it Thursday, upload Friday. Even though Friday's like the actual day I move. I get my keys Thursday, but I actually like move Friday. So I'm going to try to get done Thursday, but the latest y'all going to see it is Friday, basically. So empty apartment tour coming soon. Sorry, I don't know what that noise is. And then I don't know if I'm going to vlog the rest of my week. To be honest, my moving, after this video, my empty apartment tour might be my last Vlogmas video, because I don't want to just record me packing for like the next 3 days, because I feel like that's going to get boring. So after this video, I don't know if I'm like done until my empty apartment tour. We'll see. We'll see. We'll take it a day at a time, but y'all definitely gonna get this like packing vlog. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Y'all see. But yeah, I'm super excited for the empty apartment tour. I can't wait for y'all to see it, because I love it. I hope y'all love it. And once, I know y'all gonna want to see like the apartment after it's done and everything. So I am gonna be doing weekly Wednesday vlogs once I move. I'm gonna promise. Because I'm going to promise. So I'm going to be doing the weekly Wednesday vlogs. And so y'all see like the process of me getting like my rooms together. And then eventually doing like a fully furnished apartment tour. So yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, that's it for now. Let me show y'all the rooms and what I've done so far. I have 3 days to get this shit together. Really like 2, because Monday I'm about to be done for today because I've been here doing shit all day looking crazy. But let me show y'all. Okay, let's stop talking. Okay, so this is this room. Let me turn these lights off. Basically just have to clear off my vanity and that's it. Just a little bullshit in here. I gotta get these boxes, and this one's pretty much empty for the most part. This is my bedroom. I'm just working on some stuff in here. I gotta clean off my little side tables. I went over there too. That's me. I look a mess. I took my TV down. It was mounted to the wall. Someone came over and took that down. My bedroom's really small, y'all, so I don't even have a lot in there. My clothes. I already started taking some of my clothes. I have a whole bunch of clothes up there that I packed away already. Just my stuff that's hanging up. And I have clothes down here. That's gonna be easy to take. I'm gonna just like take those in the crates already. Oh shit, hold on. I have clothes in my other closet too that I didn't show y'all that's hanging up, but that's okay. This is my kitchen. I literally cleaned everything out the cabinets. They're all empty. I just have like the stuff on my counters I need to clean up. Forget about that stuff. But everything's empty in here. Everything's cleaned out. Living room. Okay. So this is like the big thing. So it looks crazy, I know. This is stuff that is like ready to go. Some stuff over here is ready to go too, but it's like really disorganized right now. So I'm gonna get that together. Maybe today, I guess. I don't know. It's just overwhelming seeing it like this. But this side looks beautiful. Like that stuff's out the door. I do have to have someone come over to demount this TV, if that's a word, because it's like mounted to the back of this TV stand. So yeah, that's the only thing that really needs done. I have to get this shit under control. This TV is the one that was in my room, but I'm not. This is like what, a 40-inch? I don't know. I'm getting to like a 55 or a 65-inch for my room. So I don't know what I'm doing with this TV. I have a spare room that I might just put this in my spare room. Yeah. But basically this is living room stuff. Like that, those two bags were like pillows that were on my couch and ottoman. That's one of my paintings. My mirror I had in my living room. My bar, that's always been right there. I just need to clean it off. And just other like bullshit. These boxes are all packed. I don't know what's in them. But yeah, like this like kitchen stuff. Yeah. So yeah, we're about to guess I'm about to work on some stuff now. I don't know what I'm about to do, but we'll see. Okay, so I made some more space in my living room just so there's like a walkway because there wasn't before. So again, the stuff that can get like that's already ready to be taken out. I'm gonna start piling boxes over in that corner. And then this stuff can be taken out too. It's not like organized yet, so yeah, but I just made some space in here because there wasn't any. Now I'm about to go work on some stuff in the 2 bedrooms, try to bring some stuff in the hallway that's like ready to go. In the vlog right here. I know I didn't pack much with y'all on camera, but like I said, I had already started packing before I even started vlogging. So let me know if y'all want more packing vlogs for the next, what is that, 2-3 days. If so, I will, you know, continue the vlog. If not, I'll just see y'all on the empty apartment tour. I can't think. I'm sorry, my head's everywhere. But yeah, let me know. I gotta go because I have to make some phone calls. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or Thursday. Peace. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?